Ashaiman, a suburb in Accra, known for its horrific and notorious act, has been in the news recently. In the early hours of 12 January 2021, Mr. Bright Mauli, a detective officer with the Winneba Divisional Police Station, was arrested for the illegal possession of firearms. The firearms, identified to be an AK-47 and 2 pistols, were discovered by a mechanic when he was given the vehicle by the suspect to repair. The mechanic, in a fearful state, immediately drew the attention of the Winneba police, which led to the arrest and cross-examination of the suspect, Mr. Bright Mauli. Reporting from the Campus High Court, this is Lionel Jabintete, TV6 News.